So we've talked about all the beautiful and positive things about having dental implants. Let's talk about the things that get on my nerves. So one thing that happens to me sometimes, it's not very often, it happens just like very occasionally, but sometimes I will be like bent over talking to my husband, just like doing stuff, and a little bit of spit will fall from like this part of my mouth. And I don't know why, it just happens, it just falls. There's no controlling it. And my husband just looks at me from across the room like, what just happened? So I don't know why that happens with dental implants, if it just like, I don't know, because I have the ledge there. But yeah, that happens sometimes. Super embarrassing. Thankfully, it only happens in front of my husband. Another thing that is super irritating is whenever I am eating rice. Rice is honestly the biggest culprit, but it can happen with some other foods too. It will get stuck, like right here. And it is so irritating. I have to like take my tongue and either move it along the ledge or actually physically take my finger and like move it along the edge to get it out. Frustrating. And another thing, which apparently I've heard is somewhat common, I have like little aches and pains sometimes, but they're like, I don't even want to say pain because it's really not that painful. It's just sometimes I'll have like a little bit of an ache if it's a spot that I have not cleaned well enough. Now, of course, this is user error. So definitely make sure that you're water flossing nice and thorough. But sometimes, especially in these bacteroids, I will just not get a spot as well as I should have, and it'll sometimes ache. It's not like that annoying, but it is definitely a downside of having dental implants sometimes. So those are just a few things that are, not necessarily completely negatives, but some things that irritate me about having dental implants. And I talk about the positive and the amazing things that it has done for me personally since getting them, but I also wanted to share some funny little things that also irritate me with having them. So if you have dental implants, do you have any of these issues, or do you have little things that irritate you just a little bit about having them? Please share.